Give.
What the fuck are you doing in my house?
I'm gonna sing you a song called Creepy White People. Why are creepy white people sleeping in my bed? Why are creepy white people sleeping in my bed? The end. Don't hurt me, white man. I'm little.
Killed him.
Ambulance. Yeah. I'm black. Now that I'm black, I have a new beginning. Possum. Mommy.
Go. Hey there. That's a hate crime. I'm putting you under arrest.
Yep.
You are being convicted for hate crime and terrorism because you are a threat to the United States government. You understand?
She's getting away!
Where'd you think you're going, huh? Think I'm planning to run away from us?
You know, you're feeling comfortable right here, right? Aren't you? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna ask you some questions. Could you please tell us what happened that day, the 45th of July, 1875?
Well,
Well, I remember it like it was yesterday. You'll see. I just can't get over the way that white man was sleeping in my warm and cozy bed that I got from Harvey Norman. You see, that was my life savings into that bed.
I think he's talking about the cat.
Oh, the cat. Well, that's another story. You see, the cat scratched me in my arm.
Where did it?
It hurt me right here. You can't see this.
They sent me to investigate, but I was talking to the cat, and he
You fucking scratched the shit out of Patrick.
Please tell us where he
they
scratched.
called me fat.
Please tell us where he scratched you.
Because we were trying to arrest him, little bastard goblin.
Sirs, could you please tell us where he scratched you?
Where he got him there?
Right there.
No, I mean, what place did he scratch you?
He
There.
scratched me in my heart.
No,
He just
no,
tore it to bits.
the location where he.
There.
No, was it?
It was in
In
the
the
doorway.
heart.
In,
Where
what?
It was in the doorway.
Okay.
We were walking through. We didn't want any trouble. and she came out of nowhere. I didn't want her to do it. Brother, we gonna kill that cat.
Well, I'm in.
You ready to kill that cat? That prejudiced, racist, fucking cat.
Possum.
Open up.
Ready. Did we just kill the cat?
Well, I don't think that was a cat. It looks like our cameraman.